So yeah, if you haven't, hit that notification bell as well. No, so if you haven't, if you haven't, hit that subscribe button. And for those of you that have subscribed, hit that notification bell to be notified when I release videos in the month of December. It will be daily at 8 p.m. videos in future. We'll be posting every day at start again. Make sure join me tomorrow for day 3. And also, if you make sure you subscribe, and if you're not subscribed, and make sure you're subscribed, and if you are already subscribed, hit that notification bell. Welcome to this video. Hi, my name is John of Petershams Millinery, and welcome to day 4 of Hi, my name is John of Petershams Millinery, and welcome to day 4 of Countdown to Christmas with Petershams Millinery 2019. And today we'll be opening this beautiful package, which I'm sure you can see what it is already, and we'll be seeing. Welcome to another day with me, Jay. Welcome to another day of our Christmas countdown with Petershams Millinery. My name is John of Petershams Millinery, and that was a mess. Hi, it's John of Petershams Millinery. Hi, it's John of Petershams Millinery, and welcome back to this channel. With links to purchase. And thank you all for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel if you're already not. And if you are subscribed, thank you very much. God, I'm starving. White chocolate lime bar is the jam. Hit that subscribe button down below, and if you are subscribed, thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you next time. And if you and hit that notification bell to be notified when we release videos in future every day. This month it's the 9th, so in the comments down below, question I would like to put to you guys is which of all the materials that I've received so far, which look forward to seeing what we receive tomorrow. And if you make sure you subscribed to me on YouTube, hit that subscribe button down below, and then hit that notification bell to be notified when we release videos in future. My question to you is, what do you want for Christmas? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you are day 13 of this advent calendar. Hi there, nice to see you again. It is day 13 of depth. I think from a basic level, and I apologise. I think from a basic level in future. We are uploading videos every day. Bonjour, je m'appelle John. Welcome back to my channel. My name is... Bonjour, je m'appelle John. Welcome back to my channel. My name is John. No, I've just said that in French. Anyway, my name is John. This is Christmas Countdown. Let's crack in. Day... Right, well after that, I don't know where I got to, so